In this video, I'm breaking down how to start a home services agency where you don't actually do the work yourself. This is not about becoming a cleaner, a landscaper, or a handyman. It's about running the business layer, handling clients, organizing jobs, and coordinating people who do the service for you. In reality, most people fail at it because they skip structure and try to hold everything in their head. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how this actually works in real life, how people set it up, how they keep it organized, and how to run it without feeling overwhelmed, even if you're doing this completely solo. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Let's get into it. What a home service agency actually is. At its core, a home services agency is very simple. You are not selling your labor, you are selling coordination and reliability. Your job is to be the point of contact. You talk to the client, understand what they need, set the price, schedule the job, and make sure expectations are clear. You handle communication, timelines, and follow-ups so the client doesn't have to think about any of it. Any type of home service where the work itself can be done by another person. Your role is to make sure the right job gets to the right person at the right time. Clients don't care who physically did the work, they care that everything went smoothly. If you can manage information, communicate clearly, and follow through, you can run this business. This skill isn't technical, it's organizational, and that's what makes this model scalable. Why most beginners fail at this model. Most home services agencies don't fail because they can't find workers. They fail because everything lives in too many places. Client info in text, job details in email, worker availability in DMs, schedules in someone's head. At first, this feels manageable. You might even tell yourself, I'll organize this later. But once jobs overlap or a client changes something last minute, things unravel fast. Now you're rereading old messages, double checking details, and worrying that you forgot something. And that stress doesn't come from the business being hard, it comes from the business having no structure. What systems and structure really mean? People love to throw around words like systems and operations as if you need an MBA to understand them. And you don't. A system is simply a repeatable way of doing something on purpose. It's deciding once how something should be handled so you're not redeciding it every time. Structure is even simpler. Structure is just knowing where things live, and that's it. In a home services agency, structure means you're never guessing. You always know where client information goes, you always know where job details are written, you always know where workers' assignments are tracked, and you always know what needs to happen next. When that structure exists, running the business feels straightforward. Why you need a home base before you're ready. This is where most people get it backwards. They tell themselves they'll get organized once they have more jobs, more clients, or more momentum. But more jobs don't create clarity, they create more moving parts, more conversations, more schedules, more details that need to be tracked. The easiest time to build structure is actually when things are still simple. That's when you can think clearly about where information should live and how work should flow. If you wait until you're busy, you end up trying to organize chaos retroactively and fixing problems that could have been avoided with a simple system in place. What a home base actually looks like. What you're looking at here is a single workspace. This is what it looks like when a home services agency actually has a home. Instead of jumping between apps, messages, and notes, everything lives in one place. Clients, jobs, workers, and planning. I like using Notion here because it makes structure visible. You're not staring at complicated software, you're seeing clear sections and organization. Think of this like a digital operations binder. If you ran this business on paper, you wouldn't dump everything into one pie. You'd separate things like client information, job details, schedules, and notes. This workplace works the same way. When a client messages you, you know exactly where that information goes. So when a worker asks for details, you know exactly where to look. When something changes, you update it once, not in 5 places. If you want to build something like this yourself, you can use the Notion link below as a starting point. You don't need anything fancy, you just need one place where the business lives. How projects work in a home service services agency. In this business, a project is simply one job, one client, one service, one scheduled job. That's it. This matters because it changes how you think about work. Documentation is how you manage workers. So documentation is what makes it possible to run a home services agency without doing the work yourself. When you're not the one showing up to the job, you can't rely on instinct or memory. You need clarity, and that's what your documentation does. In an agency model, documentation isn't corporate or formal, it's practical. It is the written version of everything you would normally explain in person: what the service includes, how jobs are assigned, what workers need to know before they arrive, how issues are handled if something goes wrong, what the standard is every single time. When this isn't written down, the business quietly becomes harder to run. You end up explaining the same things repeatedly. Workers will text you basic questions mid-job, and clients get slightly different answers depending on the day. And you feel like you have to stay involved in every detail just to make sure that things don't fall apart. When it is written down, something shifts. They know how to handle common situations without waiting for your approval. That reduces mistakes and cuts down on constant back and forth. Notes, follow-ups, and communication. Small details matter in home services. Gate codes, pets, access instructions, client preferences. If that lives only in messages, it gets lost. Having notes tied to each job means nothing relies on memory. You can always check what was said and what needs to happen next. Email is part of the system. Email is where logistics live. When it's messy, it creates anxiety. When it's organized, you instantly see what needs action, what's informational, and what can wait. That means fewer mistakes and less stress. Why this works for free. You don't need money to start this, you need structure. Notion works well because it gives you a free place to organize clients, track jobs, manage workers, and reduce your mental load. Even on the free plan, that structure makes you more reliable. And from the outside, that looks professional, and from the inside, it feels calm. And that's why this model works without spending upfront. You don't need to do the work to run a home services agency. You need to organize the work. If you want a simple place to start, you can use Notion as your home base. I'll link it below so you can set up one place for clients, jobs, and workers. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up. I'm Erin from Side Hustle Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.